Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect ProofHub to Google Drive for file sharing, detailed guide step by step clearly. To connect ProofHub to Google Drive for file sharing, start by logging into your ProofHub account. Once logged in, navigate to the project where you want to connect Google Drive. On the project dashboard, look for the Files tab and click on it. In the Files section, find and click on the Connect button. A list of integration options will appear. Locate and select Google Drive from the list. You will be redirected to a Google sign-in page. Enter your Google credentials and sign in to your Google account. Once signed in, you will see a prompt asking for permissions. Review the permissions request carefully and click Allow to proceed. After granting permissions, you will be redirected back to ProofHub. Your Google Drive is now connected to your ProofHub account. To verify the connection, return to the Files section in your project. You should see an option to upload files directly from Google Drive. Click on this option to access your Google Drive files. Select the files you wish to share and click Upload. The selected files will now be shared within your ProofHub project. You can organize and manage these files just like any other uploaded file in ProofHub. For future file uploads, you can repeat the process as needed. This integration allows efficient collaboration across platforms. Now you can streamline your project workflow with files from Google Drive and ProofHub. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.